Masquera say, Mare Zimbabwe, welcome to our channels in confessions and deep secrets. Kana kati tsanka kukwea panini channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chungwa garo waka subscribe, but don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Mare Zimbabwe takigirai nyaya yekufa kukaita RaTsvangirai ni final resting place yavo pavaka vigwa. Mare Zimbabwe RaTsvangirai vakafa musi wa 14 February mugore ra 2018 vakafira iri hospital in South Africa, Johannesburg, apo pavairapwa colon cancer. RaTsvangirai vakazovigwa musi wa 20 February mugore ra 2018. Asi vasati vafa vakasangana nemaproblems akati one day kurwara kwavakaita ndofunga muna May mugore 2016 pane mareports akabuda kunzi RaTsvangirai vakaendeswa ku South Africa for treatment, but nguva iyoyo hapana kunge padiscloswa kunzi vairwara nechirwere chei. Nyaya yakakonfirmwa nati then MDCT Secretary General waDouglas Ngonzora vachitaura ivo vachiti RaTsvangirai vakanga vaendeswa ku South Africa uko kwavakawanikwa vachinorapwa. So muna June 2016 pane reports zvakare akabuda RaTsvangirai vachinzi vadzoka kuZimbabwe mushure mekunge vanga vakufila zviri nani, asi vanokwanisa kuatenda demo yaitwa kwaMutare muri Zimbabwe nekuda kwekuti vaida kuita routine medical review yavo muri Zimbabwe. So according to Pindula, my health problems avaTsvangirai akanga ane nguva yakareba vachidzimbikana nemuviri. Pindula News akabuda ichitaura iyo ichiti in May 2016 there were reports that RaTsvangirai had been rushed to South Africa for treatment over an undisclosed ailment. MDCT Secretary General Douglas Ngonzora confirmed that RaTsvangirai had been flown out early that week. RaTsvangirai was taken ill on the advice of doctors. He had to travel to South Africa for treatment. He successfully underwent a medical procedure and is recuperating well in South Africa, Ngonzora said. In early June 2016, there were reports that RaTsvangirai had returned home from South Africa, where he was recuperating after undergoing an undisclosed medical procedure. MDCT spokesperson Norbert Kutu confirmed the development and said, President RaTsvangirai is jetting into Harare today, fit and strong, ready to lead from the front as usual. However, RaTsvangirai was unable to attend a demonstration in Mutare as he was scheduled to undergo a routine medical review. On 27 June 2016, RaTsvangirai disclosed to the media that he had cancer of the colon and was undergoing treatment in South Africa. RaTsvangirai confirmed that doctors in both Zimbabwe and South Africa had conducted tests and confirmed he had cancer. On May 8, 2016, my Zimbabwean doctors referred me to South Africa, where a further diagnosis revealed that I'm suffering from cancer of the colon. In September 2017, RaTsvangirai was flown to South Africa after his health drastically deteriorated as he was attending an MDC Alliance strategic meeting in Kadoma on 7 September 2017. His spokesperson, Luke Tamborinyoka, said RaTsvangirai would stay in South Africa for longer than expected and would not immediately resume party duties when he returned. The President Emmerson Mnangagwa and Vice President Constantino Chiwenga visited RaTsvangirai at his home in early January 2018. Finance Economic Development Minister Patrick Chinamasa revealed that former Prime Minister and MDC Alliance leader Morgan RaTsvangirai was to get a gratuity, medical cover, and the Highlands House as per agreed on the visit. Chinamasa said, when the President visited the former Prime Minister, he had assurances to him that he was going to address issues of welfare concerning him. Some of the undertakings that were made by the President to the Prime Minister were able to do with the ownership of the house which currently forms his residence, and that an agreement will be made to transfer ownership of that house to the former Prime Minister. There was also an undertaking made by the President to meet all the medical bills and arrears bills that had accumulated with respect to addressing the medical conditions of the former Prime Minister. The President also promised him that he would look into the issues about his welfare. Having considered the issues, he came to the conclusion, and he has asked me to convey this to this chamber, that he will make a generous lump sum gratuity payment to the former Prime Minister. I want us to understand that the President is a man of his word. He will do so as soon as possible, Chinamasa said. Doma Buditsiro Gatwanya ni the Pindula News More Zimbabwe wachitaura about marwario akaita Morgan Tsvangirai from 2016 kusvika mugore ra 2018 apo pavakazoshaika. So a lot of people vakabuda vachiti Tsvangirai aifanira kuvigwa kuheroes acre mure Zimbabwe, iyo inova nzvimbo inovigirwa maheroes enyika ino mure Zimbabwe. Vanhu vachitaura vachiti Tsvangirai aideserva kuvigwa paheroes acre because he was one of my liberation heroes. Akabvisa aizama kubvisa nyika munhapwa where the ruling party is ZANU-PF. Asi zvisinei Tsvangirai vakaonekwa vachivigwa kumusha kwavo kuBhoera, ndofunga takaona a lot of people vakaescota Tsvangirai kunovaviga kuBhoera mure Zimbabwe. Vatenda ibiti vakabudawo vachitaura vachiti aiwa vaTsvangirai vaisada kuvigwa kuheroes acre and his wish was to be buried kumba kwavo kumusha kwavo mure Zimbabwe. Since it was going to be a disgrace to him dai family yake yakanoviga Tsvangirai kuheroes acre mure Zimbabwe. So nyaya takuvigira itazokuratidzai mamiriro akaita guva rava Tsvangirai mure Zimbabwe. VaTsvangirai vanhu vakavigwa alongside mukadzi wavo Susan Tsvangirai uyo akashaika vari vese in an accident yavakaita mure Zimbabwe. So according to Gogo Tsvangirai nemabrothers vaTsvangirai vakabuda vachitaura vachiti vaTsvangirai vaida kuvigwa alongside his wife. Ndofunga muri kuona tombstone vaTsvangirai iro rapo ramuri kuona rapo alongside Susan Tsvangirai. Tisingazivi kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi. Tiudziwo zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.